Hello, and welcome to our lesson on Advanced Project Management Fundamentals. This segment will cover the project lifecycle. The project lifecycle is a structured framework encompassing various phases, each with its distinct characteristics and objectives, designed to guide the successful execution of a project. These phases are essential for effective project management, ensuring that projects are well organized and capable of achieving their goals. The key phases of the project lifecycle are: the initiation phase involves defining the project, its purpose, objectives, and stakeholders. It's where the project is formally authorized or approved. Key deliverables might include a project charter and initial feasibility studies. In the planning phase, project plans are developed to guide the project's execution. This includes defining scope, objectives, schedules, budgets, resources, and quality standards. The project management plan is a key output. During the execution phase, the project plan is put into action. Project teams perform the work defined in the plan, and project progress is monitored and controlled. Deliverables are created, and changes may be implemented. Once all project work is completed, the project is closed out. This phase involves obtaining formal acceptance from stakeholders, handing over project deliverables, releasing project resources, and documenting lessons learned. In the initial phase, known as the initiation phase, the project kicks off with the identification of its core objective or the underlying need, which can be rooted in a business problem or an emerging opportunity. A response to this need is formally documented within a business case, presenting a range of recommended solution options. A thorough feasibility study is carried out to ensure the viability of each option in addressing the project's core objective, culminating in selecting the most fitting solution. This phase tackles the questions of feasibility: can we do the project? And justification: should we do the project? Once the chosen solution gains approval, the project is officially launched to bring this endorsed solution to fruition with the appointment of a project manager. This stage involves the identification of the major deliverables and the formation of the project team. Subsequently, the project manager seeks approval to advance into the detailed planning phase. The subsequent phase, known as the planning phase, elaborates on the development of the project solution and the planning of the steps required to attain the project's objectives. During this stage, the project team engages in identifying all the necessary tasks. This entails formulating a strategy for executing the tasks, commonly called scope management. The outcome is creating a project plan that includes a detailed breakdown of activities, tasks, their interdependencies, and associated timelines. Simultaneously, the project manager takes the lead in compiling a project budget, encompassing cost estimates covering labor, equipment, and material expenses. The budget serves as a means for monitoring and controlling costs throughout the project's implementation. Once the project team has successfully identified the work, developed the schedule, and estimated costs, the three fundamental elements of the planning process are completed. This presents an excellent opportunity to identify and proactively address any factors that could potentially hinder the project's successful conclusion, a practice commonly known as risk management. Moreover, it becomes imperative to document a quality plan that outlines quality objectives, assurance mechanisms, and control measures, alongside an acceptance plan specifying the criteria for achieving customer approval. By this point, the project has undergone meticulous planning, breaking down the larger project into smaller, manageable tasks. A project team has been formed, and a schedule for task completion has been prepared. This phase essentially sets the stage for the project's execution, ensuring that the smaller, well-defined goals within the broader project are not only attainable, but also have a high likelihood of success. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we will continue discussing project lifecycle phases and stages, and we shall discuss project lifecycle models. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.